Baby,
Come here.
where's the ladder? He hangs on there when he's tired.
No, the ladder's tied up right now. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. He turns away.
Yeah, he doesn't want to. There's Ziggy ready to swim.
Ready to go swimming. Ready to go swimming. There we go. There we
Let's go, Zig.
Swim, Ziggy, swim.
Good. Woohoo. That was quick.
Chopper, you getting tired yet?
Chopper's
Come here,
gonna
buddy.
die
Come here, buddy.
soon.
Come
Come
here.
on, go to daddy.
Come here, buddy. You must be getting tired.
Yeah, he's tired. Swim!
There you go.
Woohoo.
There you go, buddy. Swim, buddy, swim.
That's it. It's done.
Swim, 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 swim. Go on and swim.
Chucky, let's go. Bye.
One more time. Come on, up. Where's Chucky? Go get Chucky. Go get Chucky. Hi, Chucky.
Ziggy too. Come on, Chuck. You have to swim. Crazy dog. Hello, you have to swim. Come on, let's go. Go to daddy. He doesn't know that he has to swim.
You're okay. You're okay.
He doesn't know to swim. Poor thing.
Okay, he's scared.
Yeah.
He's scared. But look at all the dirt coming off you. Boy, boy. That's good for you, huh? Have a little swim. Swim. Have a little swim. Have a little swim in the water.
Come on, Chuck. You can do it.
Swim. Swim with Chucky. Swim with Chucky. Atta boy.
Yoo-hoo.
Chopper, I mean. Okay. Okay.
Chopper wants up now.
Okay. Come on, Chopper. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Here we go.
Come on, Zig. Yoo-hoo.
Come on, Ziggy.
Maybe grab Chopper. He needs to go now.
Go for a swim there, Zig. Come on, Zig. Go for a little swim. Atta boy.
Good boy. Three wet dogs. We got 3 wet dogs.